This is your USD News Minute. On Wednesday at 6 p.m., the Kroc Institute for Peace and Justice will host a distinguished lecture series with special guest Lech Wałęsa, Nobel Peace Prize laureate and former president of Poland. Wałęsa will discuss current world events, his view of the United States' role on the global stage, the history of the Solidarity movement, and his vision for a prosperous future. Registration for the event is closed, but it will be live-streamed. The University of San Diego recently named a spot in the heart of campus after a remarkable woman who left a special mark on her community. The newly named Sister Thea Bowman Plaza is located between the Copley Library and the Learning Commons. Sister Thea Bowman is remembered for being a dedicated and talented teacher, spreading joy and challenging her church to accept her as fully Black and fully Catholic. And before you celebrate Turkey Day, you can have a friendsgiving feast here on campus. Dining Services is putting on a Thanksgiving dinner in Pavilion Dining Student Life Pavilion this Wednesday from 4:30 to 9 p.m. It's all you can eat. Visit the link for more information. As always, thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.